Using Asana for task management involves efficient organization, collaboration, and tracking of individual tasks. Here's a concise guide. Create a project. Start by creating a project in Asana to represent a specific area of focus or initiative. Add tasks. Break down your work into actionable tasks within the project. Assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and include relevant details. Use sections or columns. Organize tasks using sections or columns to categorize them based on stages, priority, or other criteria. Set due dates. Assign due dates to tasks to ensure timely completion. This helps in prioritizing work and meeting deadlines. Assign tasks. Clearly assign tasks to team members based on their responsibilities. This fosters accountability and clarity within the team. Add details and attachments. Enhance task descriptions with relevant details, attachments, or links. This provides context and resources for task execution. Use subtasks. Break down complex tasks into subtasks for more granular tracking. Subtasks allow you for a detailed view of the work involved. Utilize Asana's views. Explore different views such as list view, board view, or calendar view to customize your task management experience. Collaborate through comments. Encourage collaboration by using task comments. Team members can ask questions, provide updates, or discuss task-related matters. Regularly update and review. Keep tasks up to date by marking them complete, adjusting due dates, or modifying details. Regularly review the project to ensure progress aligns with goals.